we'll learn some basic commands of Linux. So first is who am I, which will give you the current user. Then next is pwd, which will give you the current location where you are located. And then we'll create a directory. So mkdir is used to create a directory. So we'll create two directories. One is backup and next is the ls is used to list command. So we have two directories here. Next is file. So to create a empty file, we have touch command, which will create an empty file for us. So let's see. Yes. So file is created. So next is multiple file creation through touch. So we will create 8 files, 8 ext files, double dot txt. So 8 files are created here, right? So we can create a single file or multiple file through touch command. Next is copy command. Copy command first of all have 3 parameters, which is the command itself, the source or the file which you want to copy, and the destination where you want to copy. So we will copy file number 3 to backup directory. So let's check it. File number 3.txt. Now we backup directory and check that the file is copy.tsc. The file number 3 is copied to backup directory. Okay, so now let's go to the home directory. We can also go to home directly using this command. Okay, so let's go to tmp directory. Okay, so from here we'll copy file number 4 to dev directory. So we'll give you a whole path, vagrant, which is the user, and destination is from backup folder. We need to copy the file to file number 3, which we had copied earlier, to dev file. So here is the destination is home slash vagrant slash dev. Okay. So okay. So the error is cd, right? The command which we have given is wrong. This copy. So let's check. Let's first of all go to the home directory. Okay. Now we'll clear the screen. We'll go to dev to check that we have the file or not. So yes. So this is the absolute path of copying a file, and this was the relative path. You can use any of the one which you want, right? So now we'll copy one directory into another directory. So we'll copy the dev directory to backup directory. Let's see it happens or not. Dev and destination. So no, it will not let you directly copy one directory to another directory, but using R command, which is for recursiveness, it will let you copy one directory into another directory. Now let's take it. Go to backup and ls. So the dev directory is copied to backup directory. So there are many commands like /r, /l, /a, but we can't remember all the commands. So Linux has a help command for all the commands. So if you forget the command, You can give -f and check the commands that which is used for what. So here all the commands, all the arguments are listed. Like A is for archiving, F is for force. We'll see R. Yes, R is for recursiveness. It will copy directories recursively. You can use help command if you forget any argument of the command.